Hey there, interested in learning how to earn money from Craigslist posting? Craigslist is a versatile platform that's often overlooked as a source of income. Whether you're selling goods or offering services, Craigslist has the potential to be a valuable tool in your money-making arsenal. In this guide, we'll uncover the secret to making money on Craigslist and show you some effective strategies to maximize your earnings. Step 1. Understand the platform. To successfully earn money from Craigslist, it is important to understand how the platform functions. Craigslist is divided into various categories and subcategories which help users find what they are looking for with ease. It primarily serves local communities, enabling buyers and sellers to connect within their own regions. Familiarize yourself with the categories relevant to what you plan to sell or the services you wish to offer, ensuring you reach your target audience effectively. Step 2. Identify marketable items or services. Next, determine what items or services are in demand and that you can provide on Craigslist. Regular items include furniture, electronic gadgets, collectibles, and vehicles. For services, consider offers such as home cleaning, tutoring, freelance work, or pet sitting. Conduct some research to identify what others are posting in your area and see where you can fill a gap or improve on what's already available. Step 3. Create attention-grabbing listings. The key to earning money from Craigslist posting is having compelling listings. Craft clear and detailed descriptions for each item or service, emphasizing their benefits and any unique qualities. Use high-quality images that showcase your offerings effectively. The title of your post should be concise yet descriptive, catching the eye of potential buyers or clients. Additionally, be honest and upfront about any defects or conditions to build trust with your audience. Step 4. Set competitive prices. Pricing is crucial when looking to earn money from Craigslist. Research similar listings to determine fair market price for your items or services. Offering competitive pricing or bundling related items and services can attract more interest. Always consider the item's condition, rarity, and demand before setting your price. You might also want to be open to negotiations, as this can hasten the selling process. Step 5. Promote your listings. While Craigslist provides a platform, proactive promotion can enhance your reach. Share your listings on social media or relevant online communities. Engaging with platforms like Facebook Marketplace or local interest groups can drive additional traffic to your Craigslist posts. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive feedback or testimonials within your listing, as this can lend credibility and attract more potential buyers or clients. Step 6. Ensure safety and smart communication. Safety is paramount when conducting transactions through Craigslist. Always communicate via the Craigslist email relay system to protect your identity. When arranging meetups, choose public locations and consider bringing someone with you. Be cautious of scammers and always trust your instincts. If something feels off, it's okay to walk away from a deal. By following these steps, you can effectively learn how to earn money from Craigslist posting and turn it into a profitable endeavor. Whether you're selling items or offering services, understanding the platform, creating compelling listings, setting competitive prices, promoting your posts, and ensuring safety will position you well to maximize your earnings. So dive in, start posting, and watch your income grow with the opportunities Craigslist provides. Happy selling!